This is our garden room down in our basement, which we had refurbished through this winter of lockdown, and I made a picture of the coastguard cottages at Dunwich cliffs in the autumn, and we were wondering what to do with this big long wall, so we had Wallsource make it into a beautiful panorama shot, and it's 6 meters wide by 2.2 meters high, and I think you'll agree it's come out beautiful. We really are pleased with it, and thanks to Wallsource for their expertise in putting it all together. It's actually 3 photos stitched together with photo stitching software, and it was my first real experiment with doing photographs like that. So we're pretty pleased both with the result we've got and with Wallsource for what was a pretty reasonable job. I had it professionally installed by a professional wallpaper guy rather than do it myself, which I think was quite sensible. Anyhow, thanks for looking, and I hope you enjoy.